So I made a video, but I didn't make you guys intro. So hey guys, how is everyone doing? If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Mariam. If you've been watching me, thank you very much for sticking to the family. If you're new here, please click on the subscribe button, like and share my video. So today's video is going to be a DIY video. I'm going to show you guys how to use an igniter, a coal igniter, because almost everybody is now using the Turaren Wuta, that is the incense. So, and I'm looking for a way to make it easier on everyone. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a local DIY igniter in which you can use it to ignite your coal and then burn your incense. It is very, very easy, so let's learn. So here we have the coal, and then we have a sharp object, and then we have something strong, and we have the incense, and then we have our container, and this is the incense burner. So let's dive into the video. So the first thing we are going to do is create holes into the container. One hole already. It doesn't have to be even, just so guys, this is what we have, and there you have your local igniter, your local coal igniter. So to make it easier, I decided to create holes here. So I'm going to apply this and this to serve as handles, but I'm not going to hold them when using, so I can easily use a rag or something to carry my igniter off of the igniting head. I don't know what to call it. So I'm going to use this as handles. If you like, you can still create holes all around, but I don't have that time. This is okay. The next step is, so I'm now putting my already created coal igniter on my gas. You can use stove, you can use whatever source of lighting, source of fire you have to ignite it. So in the first instance, it might create some awful smell, but it's really okay since you are using a tin that has never been used before. So you just let it on the fire and then allow it to be hot. After becoming hot, you then put your coal in it. As you can see, I'm putting my coal inside, and you're already seeing the effects, knowing that it's already been hot. And if you look closely, you notice that coal is starting to get red from below. Coal has started becoming red from below. So I've already offed the gas, but as you can see, our coal is already red and hot and ready for use. So we're going to transfer this into our incense burner and then burn our incense. Easy peasy. So I'm going to use a wet towel. The towel is wet, not very, very wet, but it's cold. I'm going to use it to take my coal igniter off of my gas. So if you don't want to use the wet rag, you can use a spoon. You just put your spoon in carefully. You should be very, very careful. See what we have, and then you put it in your incense burner. Fire, or else fire would play with you. This is the easiest way, but you have to be careful. So guys, this is what we have. I also have more here. So it's just easy peasy. But please guys, if you are going to try this, you should be very, very careful. So this is our local igniter, and this is what we got from our local igniter. This coal is the best coal to use for burning Turaren Wuta. As you can see, it is already bringing out smoke. That is because I have leftover Turaren Wuta in my burner. I don't throw them out. I always keep my leftover Turaren Wuta because I use Nigeria's Best Essence by MKJ and Basak Auri Kwata Kwata. So now this video might as well take another direction and be a how to burn an incense video. So this is Naseem from Essence by MKJ, the Nigeria's Best. We're going to burn Naseem, and then that's all we need. I'll do the same thing to the other one. So guys, a simple tip: if you want to burn incense, don't add too much at once. Just use a little, and then when it's all burnt, you can add more. Just don't add everything at once. And as you can see, it will work perfectly fine. Can you see? I just added a little, just one, and it is working perfectly fine. So if this video was helpful, let me know, and let me know if you want more DIYs, more traditional tricks. I'm going to parade all over the house, and after that I'll look for a space and then just keep it. This is so beautiful. So this is the end of the video, and I hope you've learned something. I hope you're happy with the trick I taught you. So click on the subscribe button, like and share my video. Bye.